everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh. Everybody and Lisa also. Let me see if I can get this without too much of a glare. I'm going to open it, so I'm going to leave these lights on the way they are right now. After I did my Twilight planner for the swap, I had Lisa contacted me and asked me if I would make one for her. And I said, of course. One thing that would have taken me forever, like a couple months, and obviously we don't want to wait till June until we start a new planner, is putting the dates on. So I didn't put the dates on this undated calendar, but I did print, I made some stickers and printed them for her. They're in the Twilight font. And I have 5 of each, one for the main month and then one for each week within the month. And then to fill up some space, I did Twilight up top. I have enough numbers, 24 sets of numbers for the monthly calendar and then the weekly calendars. And in the extra spots, I put appointment, birthday, vacation, etc. And then on the last page, I had like half a page left, so I put some to do, to eat, meeting, groceries, doctor, dentist, just some things that I had seen on planners. And then a sheet of deco. And those will go with the planner. I think she specified that she did like the charm, so I made this one a little easier to remove. It is on a clip, and I did a video to show how I made this charm, so that should be coming up as soon as I edit it. So this charm has the white eyelet lace, red satin, black satin, like a white sheer ribbon, and a black lace and a gold trim. And I got most of this from Connie Schramm, who gave it to me, just sent me a rack, which was awesome. Thank you, Connie. Let me know what I can get for you in return. Also on here, I believe this is a Graphic 45 key, and it is on a garment pen. I have the books again, and let's see, there. I have the books. Let me zoom you in a little bit here. Okay, the books that I make. Let me start with the first book. Where is Twilight? Okay, so here. There's Twilight with the apple. I also have the charm with the faded red truck on it. And then there are beads on that one. I have New Moon. Nope, that's Eclipse. I have New Moon with several hearts on it in red, clear, and black. And then a tassel. I have Eclipse with the Dreamcatcher in it. And Breaking Dawn with the chess pieces. And there's a music note, some glass red hearts, and there is a pen nib over here. So that's this charm. There's some black beading. It gave it some volume and a different texture. And all these different charms are removable by a lobster clasp. And almost all the hardware on this was from BB Crafts, which I will link below also. And like I said, I did a tutorial on how to put that together. So there's that. And here is the charm that is on the closure. I have this little bottle with some red hearts in it and a silver heart, and then of course the Edward diamond and the Jacob wolf. And this is removable too, although the jump ring is too big to fit through the eyelet that I put on there, so you have to take the jump ring off in order to get it off. But I did put it on a lobster clasp, so it can be removed. I did vinyl on the outside. I did the black apple with the silver Twilight. And this is the Shiny Rose Gold Recollections Planner. And then on the inside, I have a few, these are Eclipse cards. These pockets go down really far. Just a few Eclipse cards that I picked up at the dollar store. I had seen online that they had them, and I had to travel about an hour to get those. I was there anyways, but I looked at all the ones here. I couldn't find them. And they came in a package like that. And I got everything they had, but they didn't have much. I made this day tracker bookmark with pictures and some laminate sheet. Unfortunately, I don't have a laminator. Lisa, if you have a laminator, I think it would be great if you could laminate this. The washi tape is starting to peel off. Of course, that's what washi tape does. I will try to figure out a way to get that to stick. But other than that, it's okay. But it would still, the pictures are laminated, but the outside isn't. If you could laminate the whole thing, that would be great. This one is more sturdy, and it is laminated on both sides, so you can always use that one. This one has Bella and Edward and Carlisle and Esme, and then Alice and Jasper and Rosalie and Emmett. Now our first divider that I made is not really a divider, but just a page, and it has writing on it, part of the book. It's the part that it says, "I was consumed by the mystery of Edward himself. Stupid, stupid, stupid. I wasn't as eager to escape Forks as I should have been." And then the last line is, "That was the first night that I dreamt of Edward Cullen." And then from Twilight, there's the like truck scene. And then this, I put this journal page is from an Etsy store. I'll try and find it, link it below. And you can actually write on this. That's why it's light enough to write on. I have the Twilight Oath and some washi tape, some stickers. Here is a photo of Edward, and then there are some quotes throughout. I had told Lisa that I didn't have the first monthly page, so this is copy paper quality. It's not as good as the rest of them, but I did make a copy just so she could have something there. And yeah, you can put the little date sticker right there. And then we go, I did decorate the monthly pages a bit. And then you can go into the weekly pages, and every once in a while I put a little sticker. And then there's a book page. I had a book that was in really bad condition, so that's where these pages come from. I've used that book for several different projects, and there's still a ton of it left. So this is another printable, and in the back of the printables I just left white. You can put anything you want there, and then there's still room for your notes. There's Emmett. There was a piece of washi tape on the monthly. There's Bella. I got Jacob Wolf here, and then a piece of vellum here with some fan art I just printed out, and then the monthly with the washi tape. And then there's just stickers throughout, but at the end of every month there's a little something. This is the Twilight 10th anniversary poster print with the sticker, and then another printable. Let's switch. And there's like 6 weeks in each one of these, so it's pretty cool. I got Edward and Bella, and then again, it's a printable. It's light enough that you can write on. The next month here, it's the Robert Frost poem, Fire and Ice. I got the Jacob Wolf little dude down there. And then the next month we have Valtori. And then I stuck this down with this sticker for some reason. There we go. Okay. Now that swings out. I guess you could use it as like a pocket. The next month here, the vellum page, and these are all removable. And then it, like, I've been skipping it, but each month has some washi tape on it. Another printable. There's 2 on this one. There's another vellum and a printable. And there's another quote. Romeo and Juliet, and then Welcome to Forks. It's in the Olympic Peninsula of Northwest Washington, a small town named Forks exists under a near constant cover of clouds, which is a direct quote from the book. And then the last page of the monthly calendars and the weekly calendars is here. There's an acetate sheet that came with it, and then there's just this printable. It says forever. I thought that was appropriate for the end of the year. There's a pull-out calendar, 12-month pull-out calendar if you care to use that. And then back into some dividers. There's New Moon because you had Twilight. There is a New Moon promo pick. And then these are, it says sketches, but you don't have to use it for that. You can use it for whatever you want. You can use washi tape to cover up that. I have the eclipse, and there's an eclipse picture on the back. Looks like Jacob has something stuck right in the middle of his head. And this is like a week in the life of, if you wanted to take weekly notes or whatever. There's also a menu for that week. And then plan and do. Just some different inserts that were already in here. And then the Breaking Dawn insert. And then like almost the last scene of the movie. I got the Denali's, and the very last page has these violent delights have violent ends, and in their triumph die like fire and powder, which as kiss consume, which is the Romeo and Juliet, a quote from the book. And I have this little clear pocket, and I have another one of the Eclipse cards with some washi samples on it, and then some deco that stickers I made. So there we go. Just put those in there. And so that is the planner, and I surely hope that Lisa likes it. And I hope all of you like it also. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. You can contact me at scrappingposh@gmail.com. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I thank you very much, and you guys all have a great day. Bye-bye.